Water is one of the most important resources on the planet. Without water, life cannot exist. Water has several unique characteristics that make it an extremely valuable resource, such as water is a very good solvent. It has ability to dissolve many substances. The boiling point and freezing point of water make it easily available in all three states: solid, liquids, and gases. The specific heat of water is quite high. This enables water to absorb and release heat slowly, thereby regulating the temperature of its environment. Owing to its transparency, water can allow light to reach the life forms that are submerged in it. This is regulating the temperature of its environment. Owing to its transparency, water can allow light to reach the life forms that are submerged in it. This is critical for the survival of plant life in the oceans, lakes, and rivers. Water is neither acidic nor basic in nature. It has pH of 7, making it a neutral substance. These unique qualities of water, along with its abundance on the planet, approximately 71% of the Earth's surface is made of water, make it a critical resource for plants, animals, and human beings. Water is the medium through which all essential vitamins and minerals are transported in the bodies of living organisms. Owing to its ability to dissolve a wide range of substances, water also plays a vital role in facilitating the work of enzymes in living organisms. For example, the sodium bicarbonate secreted by the pancreas is broken down into ions by water, making the medium sufficiently alkaline for the enzyme to work. Water helps maintain body temperature in plants and animals. In order to decrease the temperature in their bodies, animals lose water via perspiration, and plants lose water via transpiration. Since water can rise in capillary tubes without any external help, it can be transported from the roots of the trees to every other part of the tree. Water is an integral part of the photosynthesis. Without it, autotrophic plants would not be able to produce their own food. Water serves as a habitat for the more than 50% of all life on earth. Insufficient water content in the human body results in severe dehydration, which is often accompanied by kidney failure, seizure, and swelling in the brain. Water helps improve the circulation of oxygen throughout the body. It also plays a critical role in the digestion of food. Water is a very important component of saliva, which helps break down food. The excretion of waste in the human body requires water. Insufficient water level in the body may increase the strain on the kidney, resulting in the formation of kidney stone. If not for the high specific heat of water, the temperature of Earth's surface would be much lower. This would make it difficult for life to survive. The water in the Earth's ocean absorb heat from the sun during the day and help maintain the temperature during the night. Water is necessary for the irrigations of crops and is therefore an integral part of agriculture. It is widely used in cooking activities since it boils at a temperature of 100 centigrade. Humans make use of water for a wide range of domestic activities such as washing and cleaning. Water also serves as medium for the transportation of cargo. Many goods are transported between the Earth's continent via ships. Many industries require large quantities of water for processing, cooling, and diluting products. Examples of industries that consume large quantities of water include the paper industry, the food industry, and the chemical industry. Water is also used as an industrial solvent for the production of several commercially important products. Almost all power plants that generate electricity employ water to spin turbines. Heavy water, an important form of water, is widely used in a nuclear reactor as a neutron moderator. In our body, water brings nutrients to all the cells and oxygen to our brain. Water enables nutrients, proteins, and amino acid, glucose, and other compounds to be consumed as assimilated by the body. Toxins and waste are washed out by sewage. In order to control body temperature, water helps. To start, we use water to drink, wash, clean, prepare, and grow food, making it our most precious survival resource. Water contributes to the daily use of domestic water is that industry needs much more water to produce electricity, create materials, and move people and goods. Providing potable water is probably the most important of all public utilities for drinking, heating, cleaning, carrying away waste, and other domestic needs. People rely on water. Water delivery schemes must also satisfy public, commercial, and industrial specifications.